Good evening, guys. I hope you all are doing well. So, today I'm going to tell you something about the ethics of the company which we are doing the work. And I will be explaining you with a very short story. This is the real story. There is an organization where 25 people, managers were working in an organization. Out of these 25 managers, one manager name was Mr. Anand, and the company was doing very well. All the 25 people were doing very well, but out of these 25 people, 24 managers were giving the best of the results to the owner of the company. So what happened when they have started showing their results to the owner of the company? They have got one more opportunity from the another company, and another organization have asked them to join their organization with some more advantages, with more designation, with higher designation. So these 24 managers have asked that Mr. Anand, that we have got this opportunity, so why don't you also join with this new organization? Mr. Anand has decided that he will never quit the original organization where he has started his journey. What happened? Slowly, the original organization where these managers were working has started growing, and one of the MNC company has decided to invest in this organization. Now, obviously, when the organization has started growing, these 24 managers have again approached to the original owner of the organization, and they have asked that can we once again join this organization, because our organization is growing now and one of the most highest rated company has invested in our organization. So at that time, the owner of the company has replied in a very simple way. When my company was growing and when I was in need of your support, you have changed your decision and you have gone with another organization. But one guy has always had been with me, and he had supported me. Now I have given all my decision making rights to Mr. Anand. Now if you want to join the organization once again, you have to approach Mr. Anand. So moral of the story is, you need to be consistent with your original organization, follow the code of conduct and follow the ethics of the organization. Short-term growth will never help you to grow in your life, but if you are consistent with your original organization, you will be definitely growing, but it will take time. I hope this story has been self-explanatory and you must have liked this story. If you have liked this story, please comment and please give your comments about this, how you find it. Thank you very much. I will be coming with more stories, more real stories about it. Thank you.